why you get a parakeet and not a cockatoo. Hey flockers, we're here at my favorite local pet store. It's actually a bird store called Animal Lovers, and we are gonna surprise my brother with his very own parakeet today. This is actually the bird store where I bought Bogie, so love Animal Lovers, great people. Super excited to go in there and see what they have. Look how cute my little Bogie mask is. Hope you guys can hear me through it. Hi, Boo.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Oh.
Oh my God, you said hi, baby. Hi, baby.
This is how Bogie learned how to say hi, baby. Sweet boy. Sweet boy. I'd give you a kiss, but you hurt me last time. These are the little babies we're gonna look at. Not by the fan. Oh gosh, not by the fan. That would have been so. Oh, step up, little leg. He's so tiny. He just did a tiny poop. He seems kind of calm though. He's looking around. What do you think? Whoop. Tomi is gonna check out if the bird is healthy, and then if he is, we'll be off to go surprise David. Tomi is the bird whisperer, one of Bogie's favorite people. They're 6 to 8 weeks old. So sweet. She's so pretty. Oh, he's too cute. David, knock knock. You come on out.
It's so weird.
Super.
No way! My little buddy! How you guys doing? This is crazy!
Do you like it?
Yeah, where'd you get him?
Animal Lovers.
Really?
Yes.
Get back. Get back
And
to where you
when your
want.
bird eats this, it's gonna look like there's still it's gonna look like there's still food in there.
Okay.
So you just have to make sure.
because it eats the seeds
Yeah.
inside the shell.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just
Do
want
I
to
just put some of this stuff in there too?
Yeah, I don't even know what this is.
Maybe it's a little flavor sampler.
Okay. So biggest thing for when you have a new bird is just know he's nervous, and it's
Yeah, he
gonna
looks
take.
nervous. He's like panting.
I would just honestly, after we take him out and put him in, just let him sit there
Yeah.
for like a day or two to just.
Wow, before I
acclimate.
even pull him out of there?
Well, you can hold him,
Okay.
but he
When
just.
it's like probably quieter. Look, there's so many noises. There's
There's
weed whackers
noises,
going
there's a
on.
bunch of new people.
Yeah.
So we just need to have him acclimate, and then you could take him out, and after a few weeks, he'll probably love being with you. But
Okay.
they just take a while
Yeah,
to
yeah.
get
That makes
used to
sense.
you. He's like a little adopted guy.
Yeah, he's like backed into his corner too. His tail's going
Poor
through the
little
thing. It's like,
guy. Yeah, it's your buddy. So he'll be nervous for probably a week or two, and then he'll start becoming really attached to you because he's such a baby.
step
Go
up.
on up.
Step up. Oh, that a bird. That a burb.
Yay! That's yeah, nice.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Nice. Yay!
I love this guy.
Cool. I'm so glad. Yay!
Look at that. He's in his house. Oh, his tail's like almost too long for that thing, huh?
You can adjust everything, and just be careful of this opening and closing. That
Okay.
could chop his head.
Oh yeah, Mom was saying that.
Oh, she already covered that. I said,
Yeah.
excuse me, bud. There we go.
Look at that. What if he poops in his food or water?
You just change it.
Okay. Yeah, I guess it takes 2 seconds to just change it out. All right. Alright guys, well it's been 1 week with this little guy. He's warming up to me. He's getting his wings. He's flying around a little bit, and he's my work buddy. He just sits right here. Hold on. There you go. That's his little perch. So he hangs out there while I work. So I'd say overall it's going really well. We like Speedy. We're good pals, but he does make a mess of his cage sometimes. Right now it's I'll show you his cage. You like to go in the food bowl, dude. He rummages around in his food. And then he spills it. But overall, doing good. What do you think, Speedy? You like? You like?